Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a successful blog with WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a successful blog with WordPress, start by choosing a domain name. Your domain name should reflect your blog's content. Next, select a reliable web hosting provider. Look for one that offers easy WordPress installation. Once you have your domain and hosting, log in to your hosting account. Find the WordPress installation option, usually located in the control panel. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. After installation, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Choose a theme that matches the style you want for your blog. You can explore both free and premium themes. Install your chosen theme by clicking on the Appearance tab and selecting Themes. Next, customize your theme to suit your needs. Use the Customize option under the Appearance tab. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts according to your brand. Now, create essential pages like About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Use the Pages menu on the left sidebar to add new pages. For your first blog post, click on Posts and then Add New. Write a compelling title and engaging content for your readers. Use images and media to enhance your post visually. Remember to use categories and tags to organize your content effectively. After writing, click the Publish button to make your post live. Next, consider installing plugins to enhance your blog's functionality. Key plugins to consider include SEO tools, social sharing buttons, and security features. To install plugins, go to the Plugins menu and select Add New. Search for and install plugins that fit your needs. Use an SEO plugin to help with on-page SEO practices. Promote your blog on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your readers through comments and feedback. Monitor your blog's performance using analytics tools. Regularly update your content and keep your blog active. Over time, refine your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.